Hello my lovelies, Rob here from Kickbike Garage. Finally it's time to put this Vespa engine together. Finn is here, is going to give me a hand. Yeah, if you find this stuff interesting, go grab that coffee and I'll see you after the intro. I'm going to start with this rear wheel bearing. Going to try and get it up to about 100 degrees. Hopefully with 100 degrees that means you can slip the bearing straight in there without having to knock it in. Let's hope it's oh, dæven dette. There. Woohoo! This thing here is left-hand thread. I have to think now. Det den veien det ikke det, Finn? I'm just trying to enter it is hard enough. That
should be okay.
Do that, we do that. Is it easier to put them in there maybe? Let's have a look. Oh, quite. Of course not. Ah. Try again, shall we? That. There. Huh. Almost looks like we've done this before. Ja, han så ikke ut. So I'm just going to put this seal in here, press it down. Can we press it down? Oh damn, that thing was hard. So basically what we have to do with this side is fit this seal. It's got a little hook here, and that's because it's got a passage for the oil to lube the bearings. This, and then we're going to fit the bearing.
Vi lägger plattskåna tror jag.
Nej, jag tror det skulle gå fint.
Du må snu den.
Hæ?
Den må være opp der.
Skal jeg, ja, nei, der.
Ja. Skal du prøve?
Ja, jeg kan prøve. Det kommer. That was really tight. Nope. Oh shit. Ikke nubbekjønnskjøkken. Må nok dunke den. We're having a bit of a discussion here because on the later large frame you've just got needle bearing that sits in there, but this one, the early GL, has this kind of a system with a loose cage and loose bearings, and we found this as well. So what we think, we've got no idea actually, what we think the way to do this is is heat up the block, put that ring in there, fit the inner ring and these bearings in grease, and pop this one on the top so that they don't fall out, we think. Write a comment underneath if you. That's the thing with Vespas. There's like they haven't got the same resources and books and no stickers and stuff like that. So we just. But I think that's how it's going to work, because this ring will retain the bearings. We'll try that. We are going to fit the new crankshaft. This is a sprint crankshaft, so that we could use the vape electronic ignition. And it's been in the freezer. I need to put some gloves on, it was really cold. And we've actually bought a special tool so that we can fit this. I almost got it all the way through without... så... Nesten fikk han helt gjennom uten without tool. Jeg ser om jeg kan få den går akkurat. Det er jo tålig kult da. Der inne. So what I think I have to do is got this one and this one. Just have to make sure we don't pinch it on there, I think.
I'll check that.
Should be easy peasy. And gas it.
Där.
Helt topp. Må bare løsne den igjen. Oh. It's your tool. I bought it. I bought it with your money.
Yeah, that's okay.
Because I didn't want to. It's a lot of. You don't want to knock it in.
No.
There you go.
Okay.
Nice. That went in nicely. One thing that we haven't got though is that Christmas tree. So off camera, we changed the bearing in here, put the new ring in the bottom there. You got these needle bearings that go in there. This sits on this side of the case there, through this hole, but we can't find the. It's supposed to be, according to the hints we had a look at, there's supposed to be a washer, a screw, and what's it called, locking washer, and we can't find that. And obviously you can't use anything else because this is 9mm and it's left-hand thread, so that may be a Finn's place. Right, now we have to, this is the needle bearings, there is 23 of those, can you see them? I put them on here because you have to put loads of grease on them, and something like that, so that they're really sticky. As you can see, they're all, this is like perfect. There we are, because I got about 100 at a time here. Just got to place them one at a time because these live here. It's really important that you use a tacky grease, and it's a good idea to count them. Can you keep counting, Finn? 2.
3.
I've got 2.
12, 13, 18, 19,
23,
90,
20,
20,
21.
2 more.
Yeah, if there's enough room for him. I mean, it's like, it was like a generic packet. It said PX200 on the outside. Now, I haven't got it. Somewhere in my head it says it should be just 21 of them. But if I can fit 23, I'll get him in there. But it doesn't look like I can. Det skulle ikke litt sånn ut. Jeg tror ikke jeg får mer enn det I der.
Å ja. 1 til?
2. Ikke nubbesjans. It says in the packet, it says PX and the later. Somewhere in my head, I knew that this was less. But if I take the grease off there, I can see if there's not really any room there, is there?
If you turn it.
I'm going to turn it.
No, it seems okay.
Yeah, I think there's 21, as you see. There's no way I'm going to get any more in there. Den ser det veldig godt. So I think that's 21. I think we're around.
So I think you can just push it in.
Yeah, because if I put another one in there, see, do you think I get one there? I'll try, just for fun. And then I think they're just going to pop out again.
Oh.
Yeah, they do. They fall out.
They fall out?
Not quite. Okay, I might be able to get all 23 in here. Try. I haven't got any room. See if they can... Oh. They're really tight together. Can I get all those in? That one pops out there. No, because if I squash them in, then pop out. I think, is it 22 that fits? Det er litt rart det der. Men jeg tror, fordi hvis jeg, da det høyt til pakke, ikke sant, ser du det? Hvis jeg prøver å dytte inn,
Så ut som det er en for mye enda.
ja, det gjør det. Ser ut som det er en for mye.
Så du har nok rett at det er 20.
21 I denne, og så 23 I large frame.
Større aksel. Okay. Would you like to...
Yeah, what I want to do, to be honest, is Google it before because when I tried, this is 21. If I try 22, there's not enough room. 23 is definitely a no-go. But I just want to make sure that that's the correct number before, wash my fingers, before I push that in there. Thank you. Right, that is the crankshaft fit in this side case here. Fit the Christmas tree, as we like to call it. We are missing the, what is it? It's a tab washer, a washer and a nut that keeps this into place. Hopefully that's at Finn's place. If not, he's going to give me a shout later on this evening and I'll order those. I don't think we're missing anything else. I think everything else is correct. And as you can see on this side, we fit the spring quadrant. Not really, this is just loosely in here. Because we couldn't get the spring on, what we found out was, obviously you have to fit the kickstart so you can hold this into position while you pull this spring. It's quite hard work. Put that into position. So this bearing is in place, main bearing. We've changed out the kick quadrant gummy stop. We have fit those as well, new ones. Quite easy actually, warm them up I say, and that was pretty easy to get in. And next video, hopefully, we will be getting the gears in, putting these two sides together after we fit the kickstart quadrant, and then it's the top end I think. So hopefully, maybe, if we're a bit more effective than we were today. Aren't Lambrettas, have to say this, aren't we Lambretta owners? We are really, really spoilt when it comes to diagrams and Sticky's manual. It does help a very, very lot. The thing about this engine is it is a large frame, but some of the stuff that's in here is more like the wide frame stuff, like the type of bearing here, and what else is like wide frame? There's a few things that, you know, like the seals and stuff like that as well, almost wide frame-ish. So yeah, yeah, we're getting there. We haven't broken anything yet. So hopefully we'll put this together, fit the top end in the next video. If you like this kind of stuff, don't forget, do the old subscribe, give me the thumbs up, write a comment down below if you think I'm a Burke, then that's fine, tell me about that. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, please. And if you've got any tips putting these two cases, side cases together, then write that down in the comments as well. Everything helps. And hopefully we shall have a running scooter within a couple of weeks. So I will love you and leave you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Ta-ra! Double. Ta-ra.